Guys, welcome to Research Rocks. Today I just order and fix sticker on family members family name in this mailbox in Copenhagen, Denmark or other European country. So how to order this one? So I already fixed this one. They are providing such kind of stickers, and inside the stickers they are providing this one. This is a white radium. It's good quality. If rain snow is coming, so it's not disturbing, or as it is, this one is a long life. So now we will see how to order this stickers. So let's start as a demonstration on laptop screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply open the Google and type here smart stickers. So first link is display here, smartstickers.ek. Even I already added this link in video description. You just simply click and come to the directly here and look at this here, what you want exactly in mailbox, which sticker you like. Accordingly you need to purchase and decide, okay, this sticker you like suppose for example you are couple and you have 2 children and you have 1 dog also, so you can mention the dog name, dog photos also here. You can use as a skeleton format. Here multiple formats are available. Here different posters also available, frames are available. What you want, accordingly you decide and then you can purchase anything. Just simply we order this one. If I click this one and here to fix, my mailbox is a black. I already said to you like house number, you need to add here your house number, last name, how many people you have, 4. So like you decide which one you want. Take the color like this, and this one is 1 male, 2nd woman, so you can decide your partner like this, 2nd, 3rd, boy or girl, so you decide boy number 1, and 4th one you decide this one. So those 4 members, and you can type here name, so name is automatically coming, and that's it. So like this you can change the color also, bold, frame, direction, you can change which one you like. Accordingly you decide here. Come to this, so if your name is a larger, you can small and then 1 category, and you can decide like if you go with this, so you need to pay 173. If you go with this 173, everything is 173. You can type here full name of yours, so they can take a print out of this one, so you can use this one. So everything is including in the same price. So definitely your name and your wife name you can add here and then decide. This one is a made in Denmark, delivery time and 100% satisfactory guarantee. Shopping is 35. 173 plus 35 you need to pay. Go to the bucket and then final. Let's see how much you paying as a final if you go with this. So now you need to provide the address. Look at this here. If you go with different shops like package shops, home delivery, if you select like home delivery, so you need to pay 37, and package shop, so definitely you can choose like a home delivery in 37 Danish krona. That one is the best. You just simply add here your address, name, address, detail, and how you pay, mobile pay, via bill or EAN number. So accordingly decide, pay, and boom, after 4 to 5 days this package are receiving in your address. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.